So now, I would like to invite the company's representative, the gentleman standing next to me. So he would like to introduce the company information and also this year's advancements, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now I'll just pass my mic to you and maybe you can start with greeting to our audience.
Hello, friends. This is Bernard from Leisure Oriental Machinery. We are so excited to be here in Xiamen Stone Fair 2024. We are so excited to show you our latest CNC 5-axis bridge saw and 3D digital laser templator. Established in 1996, Leisure Oriental Machinery had engaged in stone processing equipment industry for nearly 30 years. We have the first-class designable talents and experienced engineers. We are always specialized in the manufacturing and developing the latest and efficient stone machinery. Now, we are mainly engaged in manufacturing the monoblock CNC 5-axis bridge saw, 3D digital laser measuring templator, multi-blade vertical and horizontal block cutting machine, and multi-head stone polishing machine. Now, let's show you the Titan Plus 5 Plus monoblock CNC 5-axis bridge saw. It's a full automatic CNC processing machine based on independent R&D by OMC with 100 intellectual property rights. The technology we used and developed can match the world class and high tech among the similar products in the stone fair, in the stone machinery. This series of machine can be widely used in any applications related to stone processing, such as kitchen countertops, bathroom countertops, walls, stairs, and any other cladding for the industry building in marble, granite, ceramics, and other artificial stone. Now, let's show you its feature. The new ergonomic panel, 21.5 inch, for more clear and visual operation setting. There are many languages you can select. Quick and easy programming, no need complicated CNC knowledge. The camera function for easy layout. Yes. And the galvanized structure has a great ability to resist rust. High-speed precision model with various RPM from 2000 to 6000. Make sure precision cutting. The side independent spindle, 5.5 kilowatts, maximum 24,000 RPM for efficient milling works. The vacuum move system allows complete move automation for the whole processing works. Pneumatic clamps for pressing slabs when doing milling work. Pneumatic guide ruler allowed to leave the original slab edge. Also, the table can be tightening for easy loading and unloading slabs. The rollers on table is allowing easily moving slab on the workbench. High quality components allows precision processing and longer usage. Easily for 45-degree train frame. You can put the milling bit and the drillers on the main sheath. Okay, that's the features for the Titan Plus. Let's show you the other amazing tools. 3D digital laser templating. It's designed for any applications such as kitchen, countertops, bathroom countertops, walls, stairs, and other applications need precision dimensional measurement. It's compact in design and easily to carry, has a comprehensive function. It can realize on-site measuring, editing, make seams. Yeah. It's very accurate. Generate into DXF format to CNC 5-axis bridge saw, CNC 5-axis water jet, and other CNC machining. You can see the software. Support English, Portugal. You can add anything. Also can import from DXF. To achieve accurate measuring and precision processing and dust-free installation. Okay, that's all. Let's say hi to Xiamen Stone Fire 2024. Thank you.
Thank you for a greeting. Thank you for a greeting to the audience. And of course, we are hoping to see you next year as well. And before we end, I would like to say thank you again for your kind introduction and your guided tour. I think following your guide, the audience now have a clearer sense about your company information and of course, those machines and equipment you just show us. So thank you again, and if you are interested in this company, you can always type in the company name or booth number via our online platform, which is Cloud Xiamen Stone Fair. Otherwise, you can come in person. The exhibition is still on. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
See you.
See you.